All right, guys. The next customer's pulling up now.
Hey man, this your boy Fitty. I'm out here live. As y'all can see, this that 87 baby right here.
That's right.
We about to go to work.
That's
you
right.
feel me?
The truth.
All right, so we got the obvious, you know, the usual suspects. Well, it's gonna be a fun one here. Somebody tried. No, you'll keep it for right now.
Man, I passed by this thing. I got two houses that I do right down the street. And I was thinking, I said, man, where is that? That look like it right there.
Plus you got nice hard lines so you can fit, you know, follow.
All right, so
You gonna pinstripe it?
I probably won't do that.
Well, I need you to try to start thinking about a color. You know, you don't have to know now. You got like a month. You know, to try.
I might do that gray color.
Gray. I got pictures. I'll show you. We did a Nardo gray.
That's what I want to do.
Nardo gray with gold and red flake in it. And that came out. That was tough. We did that on Lincoln Mark 7.
That I can see, and we'll just do that. But we'll do all that when I come and bring you that, and then drop it off.
Yeah.
And like I say, once you finish, I'll pick it up and go to you. It's just a road. I'm getting most fixed on.
Yeah, no, that's the only. Just bear with me, bro, because there might be sometimes like, hey, bro, I need you to come over for a few days. You know what I mean? Or something while I'm
like I
juggling
said, I
shit
work
around.
through here, so
I got you.
just let me know.
I got
don't
you.
care.
Simple.
I'm trying to show you this other car real quick.
Let me get a video of it.
Yeah, the car.
Yeah.
If I can find it. I think I got pictures.
You have a timeline as to when you think you want to start it? I'm not in any rush. You just let me know
When I
when you
want to
want
start it, ASAP. I'm just gonna when I would bring that back to you. Just my thing is just rock out.
Alright.
Cause I'm gonna come back up here either weekly or bi-weekly. Here you go, here you go, here you go. Yeah, no kids about that. Cause I do landscape planning, and I do my own thing. So all you gotta do is work with me, I work with you. I'm gonna bring it to you.
That's what we specialize in here. So we don't want everybody at the
I'm
show.
gonna bring it to you.
Budget for every bill.
I'm gonna bring it to you. 'Cause at the end, it's gonna pay off. I can't find it. I'll see this picture later.
And again, like if your panels are good.
That's what I'm
You know what I'm saying? If the floor
I mean,
pans
the
are
front
good.
was burnt. The motor caught on fire. It still got a original motor transmission in it. But
Yeah.
this side is burnt. So you know how it turned out. All brown and shit. So but you said still look at it.
It's worth looking. I mean, it depends on how ate up it is, you know, how burned it is. We're gonna stop merchandising for every dollar you spend. Yeah. So we were a little short. On candy concentrate. So we just got more in from House of Color, and we're gonna put probably another quart, half gallon on it, and then we're gonna go ahead and clear it. So still gotta go around, finish
How many coats y'all putting on?
Oh God, bro, this guy's probably $8 grand worth of material on.
Yeah.
What's up, DJ? Oh man, how you doing? What's happening? I'm gonna get her working today.
You don't mind that camera, do you?
I'm
You sure? You good with it?
Yes, sir. Let's get it. What's up, DJ? Brand new one, candy, and they both did the big demo. The shot got 2 different sides came out.
Nice.
We're gonna redo those too, but it's got a 350 in it. The original owner brought it to the dealership at 7,000 miles down for the 350 motor and trans in it. So, and now it's got 74,000. So, otherwise we don't have to. It's got all its nuts left, so we just left it in there. Right. Let it do its thing for a little while. Yeah, we might drop it in 6.2 or 6.3 in it. Yeah. Before we give away the wrap, we're just depends on what kind of traction it gets. But for right now, this is fucking do. We do all of the pot rebuilds and stuff. Chuck Norris can, lifters, oil pump like this. Run your rocker arms. I'll go with it, bro. Call me, you know, if I don't ever answer, shoot me a text, bro. I got between this, the truck company, the restaurants. I'm all over the place, man. That's what I do, just the business side of things.
One of our associates, Deej, pulled up on us in the TRX today. Wanted to show some love and check out what we got going on. We're about to do the walk around of the Blazer we just picked up. What you think, bro?
Man, this shit is clean.
Clean,
Man.
power, everything. Fuel injected already. 4x4. It's got the $700 transmission. The M109, 1009 over there has the Dana axles. So we're gonna take those, you know, one of those axles, change up the gears obviously, but put those Danas in here.
Okay.
And we're about to get a BDS, long travel leaf spring and suspension kit with Fox shocks on it. And then we're gonna go with 22, 35 by 12.5 by 22s for the wheels on it.
You gonna keep it all terrain, or you gonna go mud?
Nah, we're gonna go street type. Yeah, like an all terrain.
Okay.
A TA, probably.
Right here. Boys got the toys out today. Sunday fun day.
Some BF Goodriches. We'll keep it original. But the inside, bro, is not bad. Obviously, I gotta get the dash and all those components. But I'm gonna redo all the door panels, get new carpet. You seen the snakeskin headliner I got in my truck, my Duramax? I'm gonna do that. I think on the side panels.
Okay.
Cause I'm a raffle off the C10, but this one I'm keeping. This one's gonna be mine.
Yours, yeah.
Fuck yeah, bro. This is creme de la creme.
No, I like this shit right here.
Bro, this is hard. There's no rust. Like right back here, the common problems where they leak down, you know, the panels. I'm gonna cut this out and put the new one that I just ordered in there. But aside from that, there's no rust on this thing, bro. This thing's clean. Yeah, this thing's tough, bro. Bro, I got 6 more of these. Waiting for us.
I might have to get over myself.
I'm telling you, bro. These are hard as shit. What's up, fam?
Maybe know how that goes.
Chilling? All right, bro.
This is right here.
That's right. Yo, what you think, bro? Snatch the rear seat out of that one, set it up in this one, facing out this way.
So you gonna keep this one in here?
Right, facing that way, and then one facing back this way. Too much, or we need the space back there? We're gonna put the roll bar, you know, the roll cage in here. The top will still drop over it.
Nah, if you throw the back seat back in here, you know, you have more space, so shit, more room to party. So
Give you like a pull up, you know?
I think you should do that. I think that'd be pretty dope.
And then I'll just have it on some quick release tabs so that we can pull it out if you gotta throw something back there.
That'd be badass.
Yeah, bro. We're excited about it.
You already know what color you want to do it?
Nah, bro, what do you think?
Man. I think, I don't know. You gotta go with like a neutral color for this one. I feel like that'd be bad. Like a green, like a, I don't know, not like a olive green, but some type of shade of green. Or like a brown.
Yeah.
Or khaki.
Yeah. That would be stupid, actually. Khaki.
Khaki and black.
Yeah.
Black scheme or something like that. That'd be dope.
I do like that.
Like Desert Storm type shit.
Yeah, right. Like a FD or ODE, whatever. All right, guys, he's happy with it. He likes how everything's sounding. He's coming back next week. We're gonna go ahead and get it started, finish up all his metal work. Yeah, baby.